1. What is a switch? A network switch is like a smart traffic manager inside a local network. It connects multiple devices, like PCs, printers, servers, using Ethernet cables. Unlike a hub, which sends data to all devices, a switch learns the MAC addresses of devices and sends data only to the correct one. This makes communication faster and more secure. 2. What is a VLAN? Imagine you have a big office with different teams, HR, finance, and IT. Physically, they're all plugged into the same switch, but with VLANs you can separate them logically. Each VLAN acts like a separate mini network, improving security and performance. For example, VLAN 10 right pointing arrow HR, VLAN 20 right pointing arrow finance, VLAN 30 right pointing arrow IT. Layer 2, data link layer. Example, PC1 sending a file to PC2 in the same VLAN. Layer 3, network layer, uses IP addresses. Responsible for routing packets between different networks or VLANs. Example, PC in VLAN 10 wants to talk to a server in VLAN 20 right pointing arrow needs a layer 3 device, router or layer 3 switch. 4. Simple analogy, think of a switch as an apartment building with many rooms. Each room, apartment, is a VLAN. Inside a room, people talk directly, layer 2. If someone in room 1 wants to talk to someone in room 2, they need the building receptionist, layer 3 router, to connect them. 5. Why it matters in interviews shows you understand basic networking concepts. Explains how traffic is managed and separated in real networks. Demonstrates you know the difference between switching, layer 2, and routing, layer 3. 1. A switch manages traffic in a local network, connecting devices like PCs and printers through Ethernet cables. For instance, when a computer needs to send a document to a printer, the switch ensures the data reaches only that printer rather than broadcasting it to all devices. 2. VLANs, or virtual local area networks, allow logical segmentation of a network. In a hospital, for example, medical staff can have their own VLAN, while administrative staff has a separate VLAN, ensuring sensitive data is protected and improving network efficiency. 3. In layer 2, an example is when a user on a laptop communicates with another laptop within the same network, sending documents directly. In layer 3, a user in one department who needs to access resources from a different department would require a router to facilitate that exchange. 4. The apartment analogy can be further illustrated. In a university dormitory, students in different floors, VLANs, can talk privately in their rooms, but to access the campus Wi-Fi, general network, they would need to communicate through the IT help desk, layer 3. 5. Understanding these concepts can be crucial during job interviews in IT and networking roles, showcasing your capability to manage and segregate network traffic effectively, which is vital for modern business operations.